Alright everyone, this is the question that we will solve together. I will solve the question A, AINA will solve the question B, and lastly, question C will be solved by FARZANA. Hi everyone, so before we solve the question, I will explain to you guys the definition of differentiation and the application of differentiation that we may use to solve the question. So first, the definition of differentiation is to find the rate at which a quantity changes with respect to another related quantity. For example, for question B, we are going to relate the rates of change of volume and age length with respect to time. For question A, we apply differentiation to show that volume function V is 3x with the power of 2 to find the rate at which the volume changes with respect to the age length. We also apply differentiation to find dA over dt, which is the rate of change of the surface area with respect to time to solve question C. There is also other application of differentiation that we may learn in calculus class, including analysis of functions 1, increase, decrease, and concavity, analysis of functions 2, relative extrema, first and second derivative test, graphs of polynomial and rational functions, applied maximum and minimum problems, and also Wallis theorem and mean value theorem for differentiation.
And then our good problem statement is first, show that the derivative of the volume V with respect to the x is 3x with the power of 2. And then for the second problem statement is that the question already gives us that the volume increases at a constant rate of 0.048 cm³ per second. So we need to find the rate of change x with the respect to the time, which means dx over dt when x equals to 8. And then for the last problem statement, we need to find the rate of increase of the total surface area of the cube in centimeters squared per second when x equals to 8. And then objective for this video is to demonstrate the given derivative, determine the rate of change of the edge length, and then find the rate of increase of the total surface area under the specified conditions.
Okay everyone, so I will solve the question A. Okay, question A cakap show that dv over dx is equal to 3x square. So kalau kita tengok gambar ni, dia dah bagi satu cube and then ada 3x yang represent length, base and height of the cube. So dia pernah bagi tahu V is the volume, and we know that formula untuk volume adalah height darab base darab length yang represent x dalam diagram ni. So V adalah equal to x darab dengan x darab dengan x sama dengan x cube. So kalau kita differentiate dv with respect to dx, and then kita differentiatekan lah x cube tu, kita akan dapat 3x square, 3x square. Like kita letakkan kuasa 3 ni ke hadapan, and then kuasa 3 tolak 1 akan jadi square, so that we can show that dv over dx is equal to 3x square.
My name is AINA and I'm going to present about soalan B. Soalan B asks us to find dx over dt when x equals to 8. So, it's given that the volume V increases at a constant rate of 0.048. Okay, so dia suruh cari dx over dt. So dekat sini boleh guna rate of change, which is dia akan jadi dx over darabkan dengan over dt. So dekat sini kita kena cari yang sama. Okay, kan dah cakap yang dia dah bagi yang volume increases at a constant rate of 0.048. Maksudnya dekat sini dia dah bagi dv over dt. So dv bila dv over dt, yang dekat dx tu pun dia akan jadi dx over dv. Dia kena dia kena satu benda yang sama. Kemudian bila formula dia dah lengkap, boleh masukkan. Kan dekat soalan A, dia dah kasih yang dv over dx sama dengan 3x kuasa 2. So bila nak terbalikkan, dia daripada dx over dv, bila daripada dv over dx nak tukar jadi dx over dv, kita akan jadikan dia sebagai pecahan. So 3x kuasa 2 tu dia akan jadi 1/3x kuasa 2. And then dv over dt yang dia dah kasih tadi, which is 0.048. Kemudian darabkan akan jadi 0.016 over x kuasa 2. Kat sini dia minta bila x tu adalah 8. So when x equals to 8, dx over dt, masukkan je nilai 8 tu dekat dalam formula yang kita dah dapat tadi, 0.016 over dengan 8 kuasa 2. So dia akan dapat 0.00025 cm per second. And itulah jawapan dia untuk B.
Hi, my name is Fariha. So hari ini saya akan proceed with question C, which is find the rate of increase of the total surface area of the cube when x equals to 8. So basically kita kena cari surface area and bila x equals to 8. Okay, so from the total surface area ni, kalau tak tahu kita nak cari apa, we can take a look at the unit given, centimeter square per second. So centimeter square means area, and per second tu adalah t, time. So basically kita boleh tahu dah dia nak dA over dt. Okay, next. Okay, the total surface area. Okay, bila jumpa this kind of question, kita kena cari our own equation. The hint is given, which is the surface area. So surface area kat sini, soalan ni pasal cube kan. So berapa surface area on the cube? Kita boleh tengok kat sini, 1, 2, 3, and the hidden surface is 4, 5, and the other one is 6. So kita ada 6 surface area. So just tulis kat sini 6. And then area kan, area means width times length. Width times length. And the length given is x. Width dia pun x sebab dia cube kan. So everything is equal. So area means x times x equals to x square. So we have 6x square. Okay, so kita kena differentiate 6x square ni, which is jadi dA over dx, 12x, sebab 6 times 2 means 12, and the power tu kita tolak 1, so jadi 12x. Okay, so kita dah dapat equation and kita dah differentiate. Now kita boleh separatekan apa yang dia nak ni, which is dA over dt. So dA over dt, how do we separate them? Okay, kita separate dia like this, dA over something times something over dt. Okay, so apa yang kita nak letak dekat the blank space? Kita letak variable yang tak ada lagi, which is dx. Kita letak dx kat sini. Why? Sebab kita boleh cancel out and then we'll get the same thing, which is dA over dt. Okay, now kita actually dah ada value untuk dA over dx and also dx over dt. dA over dx ni adalah 12x. So kita tulis kat situ 12x times dx over dt ni, dia ada dekat previous question. Previous question kita dah tulis dah tadi and dah dapat pun jawapan dia. This one, dx over dt, which is 0.0025. So kita just sub in je kat sini, 0.0025. Sorry, dia ada 3 kosong. 0.0025, and then The question given x equals to 8. So kita just sub in x tu. Kat sini. 12 masuk ke 8 and times with 0.00025. And then kita calculate dia. Dapat 0.024. The unit is, dia dah bagi kat sini, centimeter square per second. As for the conclusion, after we got to solve all the problems above, we get to know about the relationship and the connection between the cube's dimension and also its volume and surface area as the cube expands uniformly. And the most important thing is we get to solve the problem by using differentiation formulas such as rate of change and know how to apply it in daily life, and also manage to demonstrate application of differentiation in certain situations like in engineering field, physics, or even biology.